Hi, welcome. This is a video about the ATT. What's that? Ctrl-Alt-E. You need to give in your password, and then you have the ArcoLinux Tweak Tool. Now I want to discuss this particular tab. That's the grub config, and you can find all the information on your website, arcolinux.com, and there's a particular article in there that is gonna, voila, there it is. That's gonna give a overview, April the 6th of 2020. Do you know our tweak tool leads you back to here, and I'm gonna put this video in here. So we're gonna talk about the grub config. Grub is a thing that when you boot up, you see the colors of ArcoLinux, the first colors you see, and you choose your 3 lines or more, depending what you have, of course, partitions. And there you select which line you want to boot up from. If you decide, well, I would like to have a different kind of image as a back end, as a background image, as simple as just choosing here, applying the wallpaper and rebooting, right? Restart, not log out, but restart. Since I'm in a virtual box and the ISO is still in there, I'll have to say, go to that particular line, boot up, and that's the look I will have now on my real machine. Doesn't really look nice because of the fact that this is a virtual box and the image is so small, but it is awesome looking if you have a full HD screen. All right, so it's simple as that. Ctrl-Alt-E again, and given your password, you can choose from either of these guys. We've tested them all, they all work, and that's the fun. But you can also import an image, but beware, it's not gonna work always. It always depends on the size and the colors and all that. But do try things with not that much color and the size not that big. Then maybe you are in luck and you can have your own wallpaper in there, the one that you like to see, that gonna greet you, right? So what you do is you import a selected image. Just first, of course, go to your wallpapers, I suppose, pictures, maybe a folder in there, wallpapers, select one, and then say, okay, import selected image, apply wallpaper, and try it out. Now, if the image is not working, because we've selected these guys because they do work, then yeah, you just have to need to choose another one. As simple as that. You will see a grub that gives you a, well, a crash line is big thing, an error line is better, because everything still works and will keep working. And you'll see an ArcoLinux grub black with this few lines, and you'll boot up. There's no problem. So you can experiment with these images. But like I said, try these guys. There are nice images in there and they just work. If you want to experiment a little bit, then you import your own images. All right, have fun.